Let's take a look at this morning's morning moves in some currencies and the German DAX. And one thing for sure, this simple rule on the pound versus the US dollar keeps me safe a lot of the time when I'm trading the markets, guys. I was looking for buy signals this morning on the pound US dollar. Got a nice green buy signal here. We got a nice momentum trigger as well on our storyteller indicator. So we got a combination where we got green on green. So we've managed to get here about 20 points profit on the pound US dollar. But it really all stems from knowing when not to trade or when you can look for a reversal. If I look at the pound US dollar on the 4-hour time frame here, you can see that we've got this great big extended oversold momentum signal here. So I'm only going to be looking for long side trades on the 5-minute time frame. One of the rules that we look at here at Trading College is when that storyteller gets too extended to the downside or to the upside, it peaks out, then that we could get a snapback rally, especially in the FX market, because you tend to get reversions to the mean a lot of the time in FX, more than you do in stocks that tend to go straight up. Okay, so if you look down here, when it gets very extended, it snaps back up. We're extended. I'm expecting a bit of a snap back even further. So the trigger time frame, so this is the anchor chart and the bias. Now this is the trigger time frame, which is the 5-minute, and that's where you go in and get your morning's move and your day's money as quick as possible. Okay, so that is a rule. Even if it does continue to drop down here, we're not going to go short because of the potential. You want to be getting in when the moves are just starting. Let's have a little look at the DAX this morning. This was a great one because we had the first initial push here this morning at 7 o'clock. And then we got the double trend predictor and then green. Okay, so we got green here and green here, which means go long. This is a nice 25-point move in our trading room this morning. All right, so a nice move high up. Green buy signal, so easy. Green buy signal in that morning volatility. Go for your day's money. Job done. It's not even 9 a.m. yet, guys. Okay, so a nice profit. And if you look at the bigger time frame on this one, you can see here the German DAX on the 4-hour time frame. We've got these double trend predictors here. That's meaning that at some point we could see this selling off. So we're on the lookout for some major selling signals. I'm not sure it's going to happen this Friday, but that double trend predictor. Now let me show you what that means. The double trend predictor here. If we go to the dollar yen, look at this. Okay, so the dollar yen was giving us a heads up that this morning we could get a down move. All right, so it had a red arrow saying that we could start to push down. Now, if you're ready for that before it even happens, then you've got an edge. You've got an edge in the market, and that's all you've got. You've got that edge. So if we go down to the 5-minute, so if that's red arrows saying this morning's move is going to go down, look for a red on the 5-minute, what would you do? You come and look for a red on the 5-minute. So there's the red there, and this thing just drops from 837 all the way down to 780. You know, you grabbed yourself about 40 to 50 pips on that morning move. Okay, and that's exactly how simple and easy we keep it, by doing those morning moves. Now you're gonna need an indicator or a system that's going to give you the heads up what's going to happen on the bigger time frames. And as I said, we've been trading this trend predictor here, and it was very nice indeed, alongside other trend predictors in the FX pairs in the yens as well. So the morning move is all about, and it's not always just in the German DAX. It can be in the FX pairs as well. Things like the euro dollar, pound US dollar, dollar yen. All right, so you're looking for the color changes. We're using colors with our algorithms here at Trading College and our proprietary software, and we're looking for those momentum moves. And if you can get those, just remember, guys, okay, when something is so extended like this, yes, it could continue down for a bit more, but you want to be catching the moves down when it starts. And you want to try and avoid when things get overbought and oversold. Maybe look for something else that is just about to go in on a trend and not something that is overbought or oversold. All right, it might move a few more pips, it might move a few more points, but really you want to start to catch the beginning of moves, not when something's completely overbought or oversold. All right. Okay, hope it helps, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and comment on what we're looking at here on these colours. It just makes it so easy. I've been doing this long enough now to make sure that everything we do is just so simple and quick for you to get an idea of what we're doing straight away with our colours and our systems. Hope it helps, guys. Have a great weekend. Speak to you soon. Take care.